wanted to check out this smart door lock here. If you have kiddos, I think that this is extra perfect because with this smart door lock, you don't have to necessarily worry about them having a key. It has multiple ways that you can use it. You can lock and unlock it with a key. It does come with a key. You can also download the app that comes with them and you can lock and unlock it via the app. You can also lock and unlock it with a code, and you can manually lock and unlock it. It has a low battery alarm feature so that you know whenever the battery needs to be recharged. And it also works with Alexa and Google Assist. It has an anti-peep keyboard, and what that means is that if you don't want somebody to know your code, you can put in a different code. Like say your code is 1111. You could put 234 and then 1111 and then 567. And that way they would see all those numbers in there, but the door lock will recognize that you did insert your code and it will respond to that. So that helps to protect your code if other people are around. You can also use a temporary code and give other people access to it, and it can last for a certain period of time and then it will expire. That is perfect if you have people coming over to your house to work on your house and you want to give them temporary access, but then you can revoke it as needed. It comes with a screwdriver here as well, and you just have all of the hardware needed to get this installed. It even comes with an extra little drill bit there depending on your surface. These are all of your keys. This is very nice.